Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to start off by recapping some analysis that I had done with you here on these YouTube venue videos, essentially just showing a pattern that we're looking for that in this case provided a 10% advance in NVDA. So we look at how this thing had just been climbing and had some pretty rich valuations, and then you kind of get that big burst of everything in the chip sector. On that flush, you do have a meaningful rebound, but we do not generate the signal that is this little blue arrow. We're simply looking for a close above the high of the low bar that makes a fresh 21-day low. And you can see again where that populates. We've had a really strong advance with NVIDIA closing very well today and well off of those lows. So if you understand that concept and the way that that signal played out, we have two that have just shown up today. Now, obviously, no two signals are going to be exactly the same, but look at this same thing here in Google, right? The stock has been falling for several sessions past the earnings. I think a lot of traders have been looking for, where can I buy the dip after this earnings flush? This concept will keep you out of a lot of trouble. Again, no holy grail, but look at how through here, fresh low. And then again here into fresh lows with no blue arrow. It does not fulfill that pattern. But now that we do have this little arrow showing up, the way that you look for it is for a move back into the daily 21 EMA, and I would consider myself wrong or manage risk on a move below yesterday's low. So again, it's knowing that I don't know what the future holds, but if I know I'm risking below here for an opportunity to move into here, I think that looks like some favorable risk reward, and that's the move that I'm looking for in Google. Now, another, if I don't, I feel like every trader has been wanting to buy that one, and even more so Tesla, right? Because Tesla's another that has been such a sharp decline off of that print up there just shy of 500. And as things like this do get oversold, everyone asks, where's the spot to buy it? Notice again, none of those arrows show up through this decline. But then right here, and just on today's close, we do have that. So I think this is bullish against that previous swing low, about 325. You stay above that. I think 360 is a decision. Watch that one on Friday. If you can get through that, 21 EMA rests currently at about 375. And that'll be the paths that I'm watching for these to kind of chew up some of these oversold conditions and try to find my spots inside that, try to use that to aid my view of the SPX. And that's what I'll be taking into the open tomorrow. So, as always, I appreciate your time and attention. I hope you find the levels helpful. Have a great rest of your night, and I hope to see you in the chat rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.